something, smile. Make it fun.
Steer go fast as you can in either direction. You slam on the gas, you put your foot on the brake, and you don't look, you close your eyes, you just go, whoa!
Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we had a little mishap with the tire. It was actually pretty suspenseful. I was pretty stoked that he did his school project, finished it with a bang. So we're gonna get it back together, see what we're gonna do with the car. Pretty excited about this episode because it has my son in it. It was a school project that we really wanted to do with his car, but unfortunately his car's down right now, so I had to go to the next big thing.
Why is it down?
I might have wall tapped it a little bit with Donnie. So we're waiting on some smaller parts, but you know, it kind of falls in the family. We just do dumb shit. It happens, but that's why we have the shop, and that's why we put shit back together, and that's why we keep thrashing on them. So enjoy the video. We'll make another episode and put it back together, I promise. You guys can see how this whole thing originally went.
Or what? Okay, so take it for what it is and use it. You're gonna blow donuts. You've already done it before. You know how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to turn all the nanny controls off so it'll actually spin the shit out of the tire. But I can't replace you. Okay? I can replace the car. You fucking hit something, smile. Make it funny. Like, it's gonna be great. Like, oh, that's fucking pissed now. But it's okay, all right? Let it eat, have fun, stay on the gas. Okay? The brake with your left foot? Left foot. Yep. It's a little different than a manual car. So, you're gonna roll on the throttle right now.
What?
Yeah, just do it right here. Just hold your foot on the brake. It's not gonna go anywhere. Give it gas. Give it more. Send it. Hit it. Okay? Once that thing starts spinning and I say go, that's when you're just gonna fucking turn the wheel to the left and fucking let it just blow fucking donuts. Start. Bring up the power. Turn the wheel. So you're good?
Yeah.
Think you're comfortable doing it?
Uh-huh.
Now, do you want to get out and see exactly how much room we had? Or do you want me to do it in the car with you? You want me to do it I'll do it in the car with you.
Wait, I want to see how much room.
Yeah. Let's get it. Here. Started here. Tires were here, right? So if we started here, we just cut the wheel, and then you had more than enough room. You're a little close over there, but you had more than enough room. I was gonna stop it because we were close, and I was like, no, we have enough room. So we're good.
But you ready?
Are you gonna whip it hot? Are you gonna whip it hot?
Why not?
Are you gonna whip it hardcore, yo?
Hardcore.
Yeah.
Yes, you
little baby boo, you little baby boo. Your donuts. You gotta know about drifting. First off, you just crank the steering wheel fast as you can in either direction. You slam on the gas, you put your foot on the brake, and you don't look, and you close your eyes, you just go, whoa! That's how you do it.
All right.
Listen to him. I know I'm a pro drifter. And you just hit stuff.
So you guys had to do a donut.
You got a hot rod. You can do it.
A little bit more room. Go forward. Let off the brake. Okay, right about there. Start turning. God damn it, Hayden. Go, let it go. There you go. Hold it. Oh, stop. Blew the tire up. Holy shit!
That was sick!
What the hell? Hey!
Oh my god, there goes the body kit.
Oh!
That happened so quick. I know. That was fucking awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Drifter boy now.
Need help?
Like tire on my arm.
Alright, I got slapped with tire, then I heard boom! Look at the wing!
That was sick!
What the?
There goes the body kit.
Oh my god, there goes the body kit.
Oh,
That happened so quick.
I know. That was fucking awesome. Fun? Yeah? You had that much fun, huh? You had fun? You had that much fun.
Oh my god.
Today, I showed you guys how to do the best donut you could possibly do. But can't get any better than that, right? So now I'm gonna show you what I do on the inside on how to actually do the best donut you could possibly do. So, first, not gonna turn the car on, okay? But I'm gonna explain it. So, you put your foot on the brake, put it in drive. So you push this to the left and down. And your foot's still on the brake. You hold this button until it says no traction control. And when it says that, you wait like 10 seconds and it turns everything off on the car for you to be able to do donut like that. That's pretty much it. Just turn off the nanny controls.
What are nanny controls?
Controls a nanny when she gets out of control.
That's awesome.